It's really special since I'm one of those people who didn't actually sign up for the money. That's the reason that I got started, was for the sisterhood and for meeting friends. And especially since I had transferred colleges midway through my sophomore year in college, everybody already has their friends in college from their first year and their first freshman year. So I got started with this business because I didn't have any friends. I didn't know anybody in my new area. And now I have that same one friend who I had before college. But all of my other friends, my very best friends, are the people that I have met in this business. And all of the trainers that we have in Jenny's downline and everybody on the team that shows up to the parties, whether they're a trainer or not. But the women that I have worked with so tightly for so many years and I've gotten to know them, they are my absolute best friends. And it's all because we are in the same business and we're all working together to show up and be better. And it's a beautiful thing having the sisterhood that we have.